Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see about iPhone SE 4th generation. Whether it will happen or not was the first question that we all had in our mind. And a couple of months before, when it comes to Apple leaks, the name that comes to all of our mind is KG security analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. He have mentioned that Apple most likely to discontinue or kill the iPhone SE lineup of product. But to the surprise, yesterday he tweeted in his official Twitter handle that Apple have resumed the production plans for iPhone SE 4th generation, and it will most likely to happen by the beginning of 2024. So this year in 2023 March event, we may not be seeing iPhone SE, but next year, as per the schedule, every 2 years once, Apple refreshes its iPhone SE lineup and we will be seeing iPhone SE 4th generation with new hardware and new design. I too have some disappointment about this specific iPhone SE 4th generation leak. I like to share that after mentioning the details about this leaks and what are the hardware changes that are expected to come with the iPhone SE 4th generation. The very first thing is the first iPhone SE model to get iPhone full edge-to-edge display similar to the iPhone 12 and higher models, but it is going to be 6.1-inch display similar to the design form factor of iPhone 14. So it is going to be with notch and it is going to look exactly like iPhone 14 model. Added to that, Apple also planning to use its Apple's 5G baseband chip with the iPhone SE 4th generation, and that is going to be the start for Apple to slowly phase out Qualcomm's 5G modems from iPhone and iPad lineups. Apple using its own 5G modem on upcoming iPhone lineup is not a big surprise for me, but using OLED display similar to the iPhone 14 is where I have my doubts about, because when it comes to SE models, Apple does a lot of cost cutting, and this iPhone SE 4th generation leaks and rumors are kind of giving a feel that the iPhone SE 4th generation is going to look a lot like iPhone 14 model. In many countries, in countries like India, for me, that iPhone 12, 13 are still in sale. So even after iPhone 15 and 16 comes out, iPhone 14 and 14 plus models are still going to be in the market. When iPhone SE 4th generation comes with a similar design, similar battery backup, and possibly the processor that is available in the iPhone 14 will be in the iPhone SE 4th generation as well, because when it comes to SE model, Apple puts some quite powerful processor that is used in the flagship model that is released just last year in the previous generation. So the similar pattern could be followed with the iPhone SE 4th generation, and my doubt is that it could be a tough competition to sell the iPhone SE 4th generation even after 2 years, when iPhone 13, 14 models, still exist, especially the 14 plus models still exist in the market. Another important reason I'm saying is the rising dollar against other currencies will also make the iPhone SE 4th generation pricing to be crazy. So it will definitely be a tough competition considering the previous points as well. And the big disappointment that I personally have after reading this leaks about iPhone SE 4th generation is that I was expecting the iPhone 14 mini to be the iPhone SE 4th generation, because after Apple discontinue the iPhone 14 mini model, replacing it with the bigger iPhone 14 plus model, there are many people who are fan of the compact design form factor of the first generation of SE model. Even with the iPhone SE second generation and third generation, where Apple follows the iPhone 7 and 8 like 4.7-inch form factor, the 5.4-inch design with complete edge-to-edge display experience that iPhone 12 mini and 13 mini brought to the user hands were definitely a successful selling point. The 12 mini was quite horrible with battery performance, so 13 mini released with additional 2 hours of extra battery backup for everyday normal usage, and many users are still finding it very useful and worthy purchase when it comes to the 13 mini model. So if Apple releases the iPhone SE 4th generation with 5.4-inch form factor that is going to use the 14 processor with the efficiency and additional 2 hours of battery performance compared to the 13 mini model, it is going to be a good selling point. But the leaks so far says otherwise, and we have to wait, as it is too early. That I think that Apple may be changing its design course, and overall the leaks could be changing in upcoming months. So do share your thoughts about iPhone SE 4th generation. What do you think about the leaks, and whether you will be happy to see the 5.4-inch iPhone 14 mini replacement of iPhone SE 4th generation? Your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can search our channel with one word to find solutions faster related to iPhone and iPad. Thank you and have a wonderful day.